My name is Odeskhian. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to clean up a red eye. So this image and this image. So let's start with the baby's image. Now on this image, I come over to this adjustment layer. So this is the black and white layer. I click on it. Now you go to the blending mode, then you set it to luminous. So after converting this black and white layer, change the blending mode from normal to luminous. What you then do is you click on the icon itself. This eye is color red, so there's a red color here. So you drag until you can't see it anymore. I think somewhere around here is fine. Don't push it to the extreme end. So I think somewhere around here is fine. So we take this out. Then I click back on the mask here, and I click on Control I, which inverts what we've just done. Pick up my brush tool. Make sure you're painting on the image while your foreground is white, your background is black. So I zoom in closer to the eye. I just paint on it. That's all. I'm only painting. That's what I'm doing, just painting. Same thing, just painting. So now you get, so the same process again. That's what we're repeating here too. This image, black and white adjustment layer, change it from the blending mode to luminosity. Pick up the red color there, drag it down. Simple. Then you invert, Control I, invite the mask. Make sure when you're clicking on Control I, you're not clicking on this icon for the layer, for the black and white layer. You're clicking on the layer mask thumbnail. Click on this. Make sure this white cursor, you're seeing this four corner here, is right on this. So pick up my brush again. Make sure my white is on the foreground. Then I'll paint. Make sure it's the same size. Just paint. That's all. Over here, and I'll paint. And that's all. So this is the before, and this is the after. The before, the after, the before, the after. Zoom out. The before, the after, the before, the after. Same way with the baby. The before, this is the after. So I hope this tip was helpful, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So for those of you that have issues with your pictures, probably you had to use you're in a dark environment, you have to use a pop-up flash and cause this, then definitely this tutorial should be useful to you. So thank you for watching today's tutorial, and see you all soon. Bye.